So emergency numbers சொல்றதுக்காக ஜன்விகா வந்திருக்காங்க.
Police, fire service, ambulance, traffic police, health emergency, accidental emergency, railway emergency, domestic violence and women's helpline, disaster helpline state, disaster helpline state,